Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech-related content. Today, we're taking a closer look at NiceHash, found at www.nicehash.com, a popular platform within the cryptocurrency mining landscape. NiceHash provides a unique approach by connecting buyers and sellers of hashing power, creating a marketplace for individuals and businesses to participate in mining without the need to own and manage their own hardware. This allows users with powerful GPUs to rent out their processing capabilities to buyers who want to mine cryptocurrencies. Conversely, it offers a simplified entry point for aspiring miners who might be intimidated by the technical complexities and upfront costs traditionally associated with setting up mining operations. NiceHash streamlines the process by handling the complex algorithms and technical aspects, allowing users to essentially lease the required computational power. The platform supports a variety of algorithms and cryptocurrencies, giving users flexibility in their mining choices. NiceHash offers various software options tailored for different operating systems, making it accessible to a wider range of users. Beyond its core functionality, NiceHash also provides valuable resources such as profitability calculators, mining tutorials, and a comprehensive knowledge base. These tools empower users to make informed decisions, optimize their mining strategies, and stay updated on industry trends. Whether you're a seasoned miner looking to maximize profits or a newcomer eager to explore the world of cryptocurrency mining, NiceHash provides a convenient and accessible platform. The marketplace approach adopted by NiceHash fosters a dynamic ecosystem where users can benefit from the shared resources and expertise of the community. Therefore, if you're curious about cryptocurrency mining or seeking an efficient platform to participate in the process, be sure to check out NiceHash at www.nicehash.com. They provide a valuable service in the ever-evolving world of digital currencies. Exploring the platform and its features is a worthwhile endeavor for anyone interested in the intricacies of mining. So, head over to their website and explore the various options available. You might be surprised at the accessibility and potential that NiceHash offers. Remember, staying informed and understanding the different tools available is crucial for navigating the cryptocurrency landscape effectively.